Hello there. Welcome to your career coaching session. If you have any questions or need advice, don't hesitate to ask. I'm here to assist and inspire you. What are we achieving today?
Can we do a mock interview? Let's do a phone screen for a data analyst.
Can you briefly describe your experience with data science?
For sure, I graduated from the Flatiron Data Science Boot Camp last August. I did a number of projects, including a final project that worked on improving on the MELD score, which is a model for end-stage liver disease. I was able to beat the final score. So that's great. Since then, I've built a recommendation system. I work with Kiara AI to recommend jobs to users.
Nice. What specific tools or frameworks did you use in these projects?
At Flatiron, I used Python, and I also I did some pipelining with that. I have built the recommendation system. I did use Spark for that.
Sounds like you've been hands-on with some solid tools. What data analysis tools are you most familiar with?
I'm again mostly Python and SQL as far as the coding languages go, but as far as I also have used visualization tools such as Looker and Tableau. I also have used Google Colab.
Great mix of tools there. How do you handle version control in your data science projects?
I'm familiar with using GitHub and Git in general. I've used that for all my projects.
Perfect. Being tracked is always crucial. How do you handle missing data in your data sets?
Depends on what data is missing. If the data represents a very small part of the data set and it's not, and I don't believe data is crucial to the analysis, I'll likely drop the column. Um, you could also fill in the missing data, using various technologies. The SMOTE. You can also, you can replace with the mean. Um, you can replace with a like a negative number. It really depends on what the data represents.
Flexibility data for sure. What's your experience with big data technologies?
At Doximity, I used Snowflake extensively to work with big data. I'm talking, billions of rows. I've used SQL with that extensively to build temporary tables, and I've worked with data analysts to get that data into dimensional models, and then put in Looker, and then I've built dashboards using Looker.
Handling of large data sets. What do you consider your greatest achievement in data science?
I believe my greatest achievement would be my Flatiron final project, beating the MELD score for end-stage liver disease. I think that it has a lot of potential applications in the real world situations. And I actually talked with a company who's doing something similar with Epic for cirrhosis. There are various challenges to getting data science into hospitals, but I think it's quite important that we start doing that.
That's a fantastic and impactful achievement. Thanks for sharing. That concludes our mock interview. Keep honing those skills and experiences. Good luck.
Thanks. Can you provide feedback on that interview? Are there any responses I could improve?
Overall, your answers were strong and showcased your experience well. Just a couple of tips. For version control, you might want to mention any specific practices like branching and merging. For missing data, give a more concrete example of a technique and when you've applied it. When discussing projects, always link the tools and techniques directly to the outcomes they helped achieve. Overall, you did great.
How would you rate that on a score of 1 to 10?
I give it a solid 8. You clearly have relevant experience and knowledge. A bit more detail and specific examples would make it even stronger. Nice job.
Great. Okay, we can end the interview. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day and good luck with your job search.